Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a time when you received good service in a shop/store. You should say, where's the shop? When did you go there? What service did you receive from the staff? And explain how did you feel about the service. I visited a store named Chroma, a well-known electronics and gadget retailer in India, approximately 6 months ago, and that is one instance where I received exceptional service. This specific branch is situated in a well-known shopping center close to the city center in Ludhiana, Punjab. I wasn't entirely sure which model would work best for my needs when I went there to purchase a new laptop for my college coursework. For tasks like video editing, presentations, and online classes, I wanted a device that was quick, had a long battery life, and could multitask. One of the employees smiled at me as soon as I walked into the store and offered to help. The fact that he refrained from pressuring me to purchase the priciest model was what most pleased me. Rather, he questioned me on a number of topics, including my needs, spending, and everyday consumption. He then showed me 3 different computers and gave me a very basic explanation of their advantages and disadvantages. He even demonstrated how each laptop worked in real time for me by launching some complex applications. He assisted me in making my decision and then provided me with some helpful maintenance advice, including how to prevent overheating and maintain battery health. Before I left the store, he even assisted me in installing some basic software, such as antivirus and Microsoft Office. Additionally, they provided a complimentary laptop case and a 1-year extended warranty, which significantly increased the value. The entire exchange was cordial, courteous, and expert. Unlike other stores, I didn't feel hurried or perplexed. I felt confident and content with my purchase when I left the store. In summary, the staff's expertise and helpfulness made this experience exceptional by offering not only a product, but a whole solution. It made me realize that providing excellent customer service involves more than simply making sales. It also entails getting to know your client and earning their confidence. Since then, I've told a number of my friends about the store.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.